Yo, what the f going up? I actually can't start that. Yo, what's up, guys? Airsoft Wolfie. I'm excited to make this video. I genuinely am. I had so much fun at NA just recently, and I guess I should say I'm back. Comment these nuts in the comment section below. Enjoy the video. Peace out.
Hello.
Buongiorno.
So cute. Good luck. This is your moment.
このジョルノ・ジョバーナには夢がある。
I'm gonna give you one of those.
This is Requiem.
Nice. Haven't used a gun in over a year.
Dude, I've been subscribed ever since you pulled out of that guy and the cul-de-sac.
We don't talk about that here. Where's spawn at? I'll follow you. Oh shit, my bad. Your light came out of nowhere. Sorry, bro. Your light literally shined at me, and that's all I know to do. Yeah. Oh, bro, what the f? Come on. I'm on your team. He just shot me. No, this guy. Hey, bro, I think you accidentally shot me.
Huh?
When I was over by green, you shot me.
Oh, my bad.
No, it's fine, bro. It happens. Nice. Let's go. Can we climb cars? Can we climb cars? What? Can we climb cars?
Cars? I don't think so.
So I can't get over this?
I don't think so.
So he just died, hold on. I got him! Yeah. Got him. I saw that, so it wasn't blind firing. you go. What's up? I'm gonna switch you over, you and CJ. Oh, okay. You guys are kind of spawn trapping them bad. Sorry, I haven't played in a year. I'm just trying to get warmed up. Oh no, you're good. I literally got cussed at. So. I've already shot 2 of my teammates on accident. I had to apologize. No, I literally got cussed at as I was coming out here. You got cussed at? Yeah. Why? He just got mad because the things weren't bound. Really? Touch your respawn. Touch your respawn. That guy yelled at you? Huh? That guy yelled at you? No, one of the players on red team. Aw, bro, don't think of it too much. Huh? Don't think about that too much. He's just mad. Yeah, I know. Well, I mean, like, I don't know. It is what it is, I guess. I think I got another strap right here. I'll get that for you. Alright. There you go. You're good. Sorry about that. Yeah, you're fine. I'm gonna go touch respawn. It's green building, right? Alright. Game over! Game over! Just you win! Yeah. I touched the wall and they got on hook.